Hey there, fitness enthusiasts! Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into the world of personalized workout plans. Creating a plan tailored specifically to your goals and needs is essential for achieving long-term success. So, in this video, we'll walk you through the process step by step. Let's get started. Question number 1: What are your fitness goals? Identifying your goals is the first crucial step in creating a personalized workout plan. Are you aiming to lose weight, gain muscle, or improve your overall fitness level? Take a moment to reflect and write down your specific goals. Next up, question 2: What is your current fitness level? It's important to assess where you're starting from so you can set realistic and achievable milestones. Consider your endurance, strength, and flexibility levels. Now, let's move on to question 3. How many days per week can you commit to working out? Consistency is key when it comes to fitness. Determine the number of days you can dedicate to exercise and mark them on your calendar. Question 4. How much time can you allocate to each workout session? Knowing your time constraints will help you design workouts that fit your schedule. Whether it's 30 minutes or an hour, make sure to make the most of the time you have. Let's talk about question 5. What types of exercises do you enjoy? Finding exercises you genuinely enjoy increases the likelihood that you'll stick to your workout plan. Whether it's dancing, weightlifting, or yoga, choose activities that bring you joy. Now, question 6. Do you have any injuries or physical limitations that need to be considered? Safety should always be a priority. If you have any injuries or limitations, consult with a fitness professional or healthcare provider to find suitable modifications or alternative exercises. Are you ready for question 7? Great! Are you looking to lose weight, gain muscle, or improve overall fitness? Clarifying your primary focus will help shape the structure of your workouts and guide your exercise selection. Now, let's consider question 8. What equipment do you have access to? Whether you have access to a fully equipped gym, a home gym setup, or prefer bodyweight exercises, knowing your available resources will help you plan your workouts effectively. Question 9. Do you prefer cardio exercises or strength training? Tailoring your workout plan to your preferences will make it more enjoyable and sustainable. Decide whether you want to focus more on cardio activities like running or cycling, or if strength training with weights is more your style. Moving on to question 10. How important is flexibility and mobility to you? Flexibility and mobility exercises can enhance your overall performance and reduce the risk of injury. Decide how much emphasis you want to place on these aspects in your workout plan. Question 11. Are you more comfortable working out alone or with a partner? Some people thrive in group settings, while others prefer solo workouts. Determine what works best for you, as it can impact the type of workouts you choose. Now, let's discuss question 12. Have you had any previous experience with structured workout plans? Your experience level will influence the complexity and progression of your plan. Beginners may start with simpler routines, while experienced individuals can take on more advanced challenges. Question 13. Do you have any specific preferences for the time of day to work out? Some people are early birds, while others prefer evening workouts. Consider your energy levels, schedule, and personal preferences when determining the optimal time for your workouts. Now, let's explore question 14. Are you open to trying new exercises, or do you prefer sticking to what you know? Variety is not only fun but also beneficial for your overall fitness. Decide if you're willing to step out of your comfort zone and incorporate new exercises into your routine. Question 15. How much time can you dedicate to warming up and cooling down before and after workouts? Warming up prepares your body for exercise, and cooling down helps with recovery. Allocate enough time to incorporate these essential components into your workout sessions. Now, question 16. What is your preferred intensity level during workouts? Are you more comfortable with low-intensity exercises, a moderate challenge, or pushing yourself to the limits with high-intensity workouts? Determine the intensity that suits you best. Let's move on to question 17. Are you interested in incorporating any specific sports or activities into your workouts? If you enjoy playing tennis, swimming, or hiking, consider incorporating these activities into your plan. It adds a sense of enjoyment and motivation. Question 18. Do you have any dietary restrictions or preferences that should be considered? Nutrition plays a vital role in achieving fitness goals. Consider any dietary restrictions or preferences you have when planning your meals and snacks. Question 19. Are there any exercises or activities you dislike or prefer to avoid? We all have exercises we dread or simply don't enjoy. Identify these activities and find alternative exercises that target the same muscle groups or provide similar benefits. Now, let's talk about question 20. How would you describe your current stress levels and ability to manage stress? Exercise is not just about physical fitness, it's also about mental well-being. Consider how stress impacts your life and how exercise can be a stress management tool. Question 21. Are you comfortable working out outdoors, or do you prefer indoor workouts? Nature can be a refreshing backdrop for your workouts, while indoor settings provide convenience and equipment access. Decide which environment aligns with your preferences. Now, question 22. How do you plan to track your progress? Monitoring your progress keeps you motivated and helps you make adjustments along the way. Whether it's tracking measurements, weight, body fat percentage, or using fitness apps, find a method that works for you. Question 23. Are you interested in incorporating any specific training techniques? Techniques like HIIT, high-intensity interval training, or circuit training can add variety and challenge to your workouts. Explore different training methods and see what resonates with you. Question 24. Do you have access to a personal trainer or fitness professional who can provide guidance? Working with a professional can provide valuable insights, personalized guidance, and accountability. Consider seeking professional assistance if it aligns with your goals. Now, let's address question 25. How do you plan to stay motivated and accountable to your workout plan? Motivation can waver, so it's important to have strategies in place to stay on track. Find accountability partners, set rewards for milestones, or join online fitness communities for support. Question 26. Are there any specific health concerns or medical conditions that need to be considered? Safety should always come first. Consult with your healthcare provider or a fitness professional to ensure your workout plan accommodates any health considerations or restrictions you may have. Moving on to question 27. What is your preferred duration for each workout session? Consider your time availability, energy levels, and workout goals when determining the duration of your workouts. It's better to have a shorter effective workout than a longer, inefficient one. Question 28. Do you have any specific body areas or muscle groups you want to focus on? Targeting specific areas can help you achieve a balanced physique or address specific strength or aesthetic goals. Identify your priority areas and incorporate exercises that target them. Now, let's discuss question 29. How do you plan to balance your workout schedule with other commitments? Finding a balance between work, family, and other commitments can be challenging. Plan your workouts in advance, block out dedicated time, and communicate your fitness goals with your loved ones. And finally, question 30. How do you plan to measure the success of your personalized workout plan? Setting measurable goals and tracking your progress is essential. Whether it's reaching a certain weight, increasing your endurance, or fitting into a specific clothing size, establish benchmarks to gauge your success. That wraps up our guide on how to create a personalized workout plan. By considering these 30 questions, you'll be well on your way to designing a plan that fits your goals, preferences, and lifestyle. Remember, fitness is a journey, so enjoy the process and stay committed. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video. Stay fit, stay motivated, and have a fantastic day.